হ্যাঁ আমাদের 3:30 তো আধা ঘন্টা ডিফারেন্স না
এখানে 3:30 আমাদের 4টা আপনাদের আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। আশা করছি ভবিষ্যতে আবার দেখা হবে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chennai Airport and International Air. Terminal Chennai. Here the local time is 30 minutes past 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and also temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. Please keep reasonable caution and remain seated underneath the aircraft. Come take off this job and a simple sign is your job. Before leaving the aircraft, be sure to take all of your personal belongings along with you. Please take extra precaution not to drop anything which may hurt a passenger while taking your luggage. From the overhead bins, smoking is not permitted until you are inside of the terminal building. On behalf of Catena's Dean and rest of his crew members, we'd like to thank you for flying with West Bengal Airlines. We look forward to have you again on board with us. Thank you, take care, and have a safe stay in Chennai. Allah Hafiz. মহাজনগুলো মহাদেবন আবার মনোযোগ আকর্ষণ করছি আপনাদের মধ্যে যে সকল যাত্রী মহোদয়গণের হুইল চেয়ারের রিক্রুটমেন্ট আছে